Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the MG RV8 and I'm taking the centre caps off the wheels, the alloy wheels, because they're very badly corroded. I don't know how long they've been on, they might be the original, might not. And I've ordered some new badges, so they're obviously a lot better than what was on there, so hopefully they'll come off quite easily. I think they're just stuck on with a bit of tape, so we'll have a go at that today. That's the old one's quite a bit of corrosion on that. That's what we've got. So, new set of badges, just plastic these ones, not anything posh like an enamel. I've got a funny dome shaped as well, I don't know if that's how they are. So we'll get the old ones, old hubcaps off and see if we can get the stickers, these off the old ones, and see what's involved in getting them, the new ones fitted. Well, that's a really straightforward job to do. The little stickers stuck on no problem at all. So if you've got an RV8 and the wheel centre caps are a bit corroded, nice easy job to do. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.